What's up guys, welcome to Lens Life, and in this video I will teach you guys everything you need to know about dipping your audio in Filmora 9.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the computer. Now we are going to start the audio dip. So it's very simple. All we do is we grab the same track twice. I like this track the best, so all we're going to do is just that. So all we're going to do is first we're going to put that there. We're going to split both of these. Then we're going to delete that. Split the one, delete that one. Okay, perfect. And then we are going to move our cursor back. So right now we have the audio dipping. So let you guys hear this really quickly without dipping.
If you learned something in this video, please leave a like.
So it's very hard to understand what I'm saying because, well, the volume is way high. So let's start the audio dipping. All we do is put this track at -18, so -18 or -22. You can go up to -22, so I can try it right now with -50. I mean -20, sorry, not -50, that would be way too soft. And then we are gonna split it right here, the music track. Oh, this one sorry. Back to 0. We don't wanna make this one softer. So we split that one at the point where I'm gonna start talking, and here we are gonna split it again at the point when I am gonna stop talking. And then all we do is we drag this to a second less. So it's right now at 5/16, so we're gonna do it at 4/16 or 4/15. 1 second doesn't really matter. It's even personal preference if you do it a second longer or not. Okay, so it's now at 13:22, so we're going to go at 14:22 because this one we are going to add. Okay, but now the dipping hasn't started yet. Now what you have to do is one more step, and that's just dial that down just like that to 0, and let's listen to this.
If you learned something in this video, please leave a like, comment down below, and press the red subscribe button, followed by the bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.
So that was the audio dipping. Hopefully you can press the red subscribe button, followed by the bell notification. I post weekly, and I'll see you guys in the next video tutorial.